target is down there, and I am not. Hi. Oh, you're gonna do it again. Oh, okay, yes. Cyberpunk. It sucks. I wish it was better, but I think because it sucks is why I like it. Because it means there's a lot of things to do in regards to breaking the game. So, for that reason, you can probably guess what we're gonna try and do, which is break the game. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, but there's a catch. I have to go into here in gameplay settings and put the game difficulty on hard, very hard. Wow, good start. Very hard because I'm gonna play at the hardest difficulty possible. I spawned in a car, and that's where I left off. Oh, yep. Hi, the same car. So I don't exactly know what we're gonna do. I've got no idea. I've got no plans. I should actually go do some of the campaign. How do you play this game? You know what? To be honest, I don't even know if we're gonna make it to our destination. Sometimes I get really distracted, and we just don't get there. All right, 2.6 kilometers, not far. Do I have a controller? No, so I'm using keyboard. Normally when I drive, I use my controller because it allows me to be the best driver in the world. Seriously, no accidents or anything. But with the keyboard, it's a different story. Because I might hit something, or someone might hit me. Usually that's the case. Someone hits me. Like, the AI in this game is artificial. It's just, that's it. It's just A. There's no I in there. There's no intelligence at all. So, sometimes accidents happen, and AIs that are driving end up hitting me. Okay, I'm sorry. This is a sidewalk for cars. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't me. No accidents or anything. You know, I just remembered I could have fast traveled, but that's kind of boring, so I'm not going to do that. See? Best driving skills right there. Wasn't even close to him. I had to put the brakes on. I'm not nervous. Okay, now there's a kind of an issue because the target is down there, and I am not. Hi. Oh, you're gonna do it again. Oh, okay, yes. Okay, I get it. See, it's just artificial. There's no intelligence. There's no intelligence. Now, can I? What? Do I need to come here at night? Lean on the barrier and wait for Takimura. It says you look awful. Isn't that what he looked like before?
Wakako Okada runs a pachinko parlor on Jig Street.
We must pay this woman a visit.
I'm guessing I get in. Hey, you better know how to. You better know how to. What's that? You better know how to drive. To me, you are still artificial. That's it.
Jig Street. What is this name?
That's what I said. Jig Street. Oh wow, it's actually called. Oh, I thought that was a. Okay.
I've no idea who jumped your team.
Wish I could
but the
sit down.
claws, no.
I feel like that's something that should be in the game.
My boys know.
That is so ugly.
I'm sorry, got to go. Well, who do I spy but V in my humble parlor?
Oh, you're down there.
less.
That's right.
Wakako, long time no see.
So what brings you here?
This is so interesting.
And your charming friend
The
is...
city is so advanced now humans can fly. Oh, there we go.
Happen to be working together, that's all.
Okay, I'm up here now.
So tell me, And mark well, I still have my phone at hand.
Huh?
What I fail to understand is, why
No,
come
the other
to
one's
me?
fine.
Did Mr. Deshawn not come to the phone?
Pretty sure he's dead.
He is deceased.
Butchered and dumped at a landfill
wonder how that
by some
happened.
Arasaka goon.
Well, now what? Now what do I do? That was just the whole mission of talking. That was like 5 minutes. Actually, it's been 20 minutes. 20 minutes of whole talky mission that's gonna get cut down into like 3 or 4 minutes of nothing. Alright. Here we are. I think this is... I remember something at least. This is where I stopped playing months ago.
Come up with anything? We're
For
about
the
to
sake of
step all
both
over.
mine and your own
V,
sanity, I'm
look
gonna
around.
skip all
It
these
is simple.
cutscenes.
Everything you see is owned by a corporation.
It's boring.
How should I connect? Personal link?
How else? Just watch
Wait a
the jet.
minute. Isn't
Sometimes
this
you have
when
to jig
they
a little
pull the crap out of her arm?
Wired in.
bit. Wait a moment. Diagnostics first.
Yeah,
We just have to send out the pulse at the right moment.
Let's go
it's
get
like
her.
those 2D cars.
When we arrive at the station,
Even the
we'll
2D
open
cars
the
can't
systems.
drive. That's
I'll set up a
embarrassing.
bypass link for the detonator. Okay, we'll be there in a moment.
You said
One
that
last
5
time.
hours ago.
We drive in, fuck up the system, and get the hell out of there.
Oh my god, what's those?
I'll deal with them.
Deal quick before they hit us.
Thanks, Captain.
Good enough.
Is that all of them?
That's it? That's all I do?
Find the controls. I'll connect the detonator. Quick, V.
Okay, I'm on it. Overheat terminal. Overcharge. Shh, something broke. Use. Overcharge. I can do it. Come on. What was in my hand?
Here.
What? What's this? Oh.
Always wanted to push the big red button on something like this. How do we know when?
$5 says it's not going to
Don't
do
worry. I'll
anything.
have
Knowing
eyes.
how this game operates,
just wait for my
its
signal,
storyline,
then
this
set
is
off that
this is not
pulse.
going to do anything.
They won't know what hit them. All right, get ready. One more second.
That one?
One more. Now.
Boom. There she is.
Shit. What's happening?
Of course
hell.
it doesn't work.
Fucking hell.
It's so
Bullseye.
oh. I was wrong. It
Pan
worked.
Am, the engines are still running. Fuck, they're getting away.
They're going nowhere.
Okay,
gotta go
kinda
after it.
worked.
Give me a moment.
Pan Am, what are you doing?
Where are you going? Where'd she go? Where did that come from? Did you miss?
That's how you do it.
No,
It's
she
losing
didn't.
altitude.
No, it's still,
way it
it's
stays
still,
in
it's
the air
still,
after
yeah,
a
it's
blast
still
like that.
flying. What the hell? Ooh, these are really strong. Either that or my aim sucks. What if I just shoot that instead? Whoa.
Not shooting.
Shit. Probably jammed again.
I'm sorry, aren't you supposed to be driving?
Going on autopilot.
Autopilot.
Seized up. Son of
This mission is a disaster. Oh my god. No, I don't want to reconnect it. I'm pressing OK. Really?
I know. For the time being, at least.
Time being's all we need.
I got the flashing is right. At least she's driving now. Sheesh. Whoa, that was close.
I see the wreck, but no Scorpion or Mitch.
I can't see a single human being from this spot where you're at. So if you like, I'm not surprised. I don't see anyone.
Looks expired.
I see a robot. That's it.
Fuck it.
I have a ton of those. Could have asked. Fuck.
Let's roll. You connecting to visual?
Mm-hmm.
This is what happens when you play
Beep.
story missions. There's
If they
too
cut the ult to kill us.
Ah.
I will try to.
No, you stay in the car. Sorry, but you're just gonna slow me down.
Fucking hell, V. Those are my people out
Listen,
there.
I get that launcher out of our way, I'll let you know. Then you go in and help me with the rest. Deal?
Yes, ma'am. I still have Mitch's rifle. I will try to cover you from here.
Good idea. Let's move.
Wow, after 45 minutes of recording, we're finally doing I have no ammo. This is gonna go about as well as you can already expect it to. I've got no ammo. I got some sniper ammo, okay.
Won't get rid of us that easily.
Relax, I haven't even done anything yet. Wait, I forgot how to use the menu. I haven't done this in a while. And these guys are on very hard difficulty. This is gonna go very well, I'm telling you. Scanning. What am I scanning? Garbage. Try the thermals. How do I exit? Ping. Okay. I should just see what's going on. That's it? There's only one hostile thing here? Okay, wait, I gotta take out the turret. Alright.
You are instructed to reveal yourself.
Oh no, that is gonna get very annoying for the next 5 minutes. What's that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god. I didn't jump, I was not scared. You were supposed to stay in the car. What happened to that part?
They're on their last legs.
No, they are not. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna have to go. Since she decided to get involved, I gotta get to the control panel. Security drone. Overheat. What is it doing? No, stop moving around. I'm trying to do something. Short circuit. Boom. I don't know. Did that blow it up fully, or is it like still alive? I'm sorry, I didn't want to go this way. Alright, here we go. Hostile area. Oh, there they are. Okay. Can I ping them? Ping. I don't know how many there are. 3, there's 4. Electronics. Cyberware malfunction. That takes a while, okay.
You are instructed to reveal yourself.
I missed.
Terrorist
No, I got him that time. Okay, that was easy. Next. Next. Aha! This is a lot easier than I thought it would be. This is on... What is that? There's a turret launcher. If I run up to it, it can't kill me. Yeah. Okay. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I thought that was gonna... What's that?
Path's clear. I'm coming for you.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought that would be a lot harder because I put it on very hard and... Okay. Oh, I have ammo. Wait, what's this? Take.
Open the... Now!
Step back! Back! Toss your weapons or I'll shoot! I repeat, drop your weapons, now!
Easy now. Not too late for everyone to walk out of this
We
alive.
called for backup! Bullshit!
Last chance. You don't gotta die today. Let's talk.
Why should I believe you?
Pan Am, shoot him.
Listen. This isn't a...
Pan Am,
But only if...
you remember the
Shut the
cowboy,
fuck
don't
up.
you?
Pan!
God damn it!
Oh, shit.
What?
Are you all right?
Just some scratches.
What just happened?
Fucking
man?
moron!
Come on. Do you really think he would have taken you to Helmet? That you would have exchanged hostages?
People who fly those AVs are the best of the best. Trained right and trained better. That pilot never would have gone against procedure. Wouldn't have had the ball.
Oh my god.
Do you really believe he broke?
Didn't mean
He was
to
just
call
looking for
the
a chance to pull
car.
that trigger on us.
Wait, can I call this one too?
I need the guy who was riding this AV. You know anything? See anything?
Took him with him in our car.
Where is it?
Where?
West, small unit. Your passenger.
Must be
Whoa!
looking for a
Why
way
am I
to
on
do this.
fire? Hold on. I didn't sign up for this. Oh my god!
Yeah, we tried to warn you, but we couldn't connect.
Why did that scare me so much? I can't get in there now. Yeah, I know you're here, but flip. Whatever. I didn't mean to call those cars.
Penem, listen.
I called this one an
I
accident.
know it's not the best time, but I need Hellman.
We'll go by bike.
Sounds good.
What do you mean by bike? You have a
their AV.
bike?
Probably looking for
Oh.
it. Better
Hey,
hurry.
I get to pick this time.
What?
Coming back for her,
I get this
right?
one.
I promise.
No.
Skip. Oh my god, there's so much
Tire
talking.
tracks start there.
Alright, let's go. Back's going this way.
Scorpion 7 would hate Night City.
Whoa! Oh my god. No, I'm not hiding. I'm literally just running away.
Them out, B!
Alright, let's go. Headshot. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Headshot, hit. Can I have that instead? Can we switch? I like that one better. Okay, going. Oh my god.
There, I admit.
Hi. Grenade. Grenade. Free stuff. Go. Is this even like what we're supposed to be doing?
Time to end this!
Come on, B!
Please stop moving your small head. It is very annoying to shoot at when you do that.
The rest must have taken
There we
Hellman
go.
with them.
I'm sorry, what? Get on the motorcycle, optional. I hope it's, like, still here. Go. Alright, now we're moving. Now we're moving.
Okay, covering.
Oh no! Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know there was a sniper up there. I can't reach. There we go. Ping. Go. Okay. What are we doing? Get inside the gas station. Oh, we just gotta get inside of there? Okay. That shouldn't be too difficult. I'm just gonna go all the way around. Do I have like a way to become invisible? I thought I did. Can you stop moving? I'm just trying to ping you. There we go. That's literally what I wanted for the past 2 minutes.
I know where they're keeping Hellman. Going in.
Okay, covering you.
Wait, can I ping? How do I like? How do I quick kill? Grab. The door is closed. Awkward. Problem is the guy up there is kinda an issue. Oh my god, see? Can I like... No, please stop. Don't see me. Oh, wait, I can use a distraction. Distract enemies. Oh,
Better
see, I
check
remember
that
this
out.
game. That didn't... It's fine. Go. Fuck, there's another one!
Area secure.
Please don't look this way. Oh! I'm sorry, give me 1 second. I just gotta... Nope. Awkward. Oh my god, there's a thing. It's fine. We'll deal with every single one of them. There's a drone? Of course, okay. I'm dead. Alright, then I want to ping everyone. Okay, there we go. Done and done. Grab, kill. Perfect execution. Everything's working fine. Turn off the camera. Don't know why. Take the soda. Don't know why.
The whole unit. And we wouldn't be here talking about it either.
Know where they're keeping Hellman.
Shut
Going
the
in.
fuck up! Okay. This is now a stealth mission. Uh-oh. I lost my ping. Thing. Oh no! Why are you up there? Stop doing that. Go somewhere else. You wanna go over there for like a minute? No, he doesn't care. It's fine. We'll just go across real quickly. You won't know. Then I'll knock this guy on his ass. Okay, nice, nice. Hi, dead. Open. Who's in here? Burrito machine. I guess I have all these burritos now. Okay, this is mine now. I really hope nobody's in here.
Hey, easy.
Why did I kill him? I can punch.
Don't take this personally.
That was not a punch.
Yeah, just a sec. Call
What's this? Is this another vending machine? Maybe don't keep vending machines around? Why am I buying all these? Anything else? Yo, I want my money's worth. Give. Give. I can't grab it. What am I doing? Call Takamura. How do I do that? Phone. Press T. Okay. Call. Ring-a-ding-ding, bitch.
Just remember, you have Hellman, and that's one hell of a card. Try to win something with it.
Takamura saved my life, remember?
Because it was in his fucking interest to do so.
Wow. The game crashed. And just as it was getting interesting too. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to end it there.